Previously on episode 1, Vlogmas Day 1, you saw this room in my house tour. This room was a hoarder's paradise. In order to get this room cleaned out and everything properly stored, I decided to use some wasted space in the room, which was a bump out that happened when I created a walk-in closet in this room. On this episode, you'll see the beginning of the linen closet build. You'll see how I had to fix the wall, and this is the end results of today's build. So sit back, watch, and enjoy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. My name is Leah Michelle, the rental mom. I like to do home improvement projects and DIYs. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. And if this is your first time, comment where you're from. In this portion of the video, you'll see me adding an additional stud to this wall. When I first created this wall, I was very inexperienced, and I put the wall in about 20 degrees off. And I'm straightening out the wall now and adding an additional stud for support. The wall is 12 feet high. The stud that I purchased was only 8 feet, so I had to put some blocking in to extend that stud. Here I'm screwing in the blocking, which is just a scrap piece of 2x4 added on top of each other. Where my hand is the other block. I'm screwing that in to create a place for me to add my additional stud. Okay, here I'm showing you where the blocking has been added and the additional blocking I had to add, which is 2x4s. Now I'm going to take the stud and add some pocket holes so I can easily attach that 2x4 to that blocking. Now that I've added pocket holes to the 2x4, I can easily attach it to the blocking. Now the wall is all framed up and ready for the plywood. Now I have my wall all framed up, and I drew the line with the level to mark where the stud was so that I can screw my screws in on the stud. And sometimes I forget things, so here I am writing stud, just as a reminder. I have built out. Those gaps up there will be covered by trim. The ceiling is wonky. When you live in an old house, it's amazing how bad the angles are off. You see, so a piece of ply on the drywall, because this is solid, and to save on product, I used 2 sheets of plywood just to build this out, to give me a solid base to put my shelves in. And I'm going to use the leftover ply if I don't have any like 1x2s or something that I can put up as trim. I'm just going to use the leftover plywood strips to trim it out with, so that you don't see, so that those corners are nice and mitered together and that ceiling is closed in. All right, so I'll be back when I get those cut and put up. Okay, so now I have it all trimmed out and closed in. Now I'm going to wood fill all of the nail hole, the screw holes, because I did put this in with screws and not nails, because this is plywood. This pine smells so good. But I'm not sure what I want to do. If I just want to sand it and stain it, but it smells so good. Fresh cut pine. I don't think the smell would last as if it were cedar, but who's buying cedar wood? So I'm using DAP premium wood filler to fill all of the screw holes and nail holes in the wall. This is not sponsored, but I was just letting you know what product I was using. The reason I'm using the premium wood filler is because it was in my stash. However, this product is good if you're going to stain a wood project. But I'm going to let this dry. While it's drying, I'm going to get my shelves measured out and start cutting them down to size so I can get everything done, get it all sanded up, caulked, and then painted. As you can see, I got everything all filled. I'm waiting for that to dry. But while it was drying, I went ahead and measured out where I'm going to put my shelves and got that all leveled out. So when I come back tomorrow, I won't have that to do and I can just start on that project. All right. Thank you for watching today's Vlogmas video. I will see you tomorrow.